In this video, I'm going to show you how to create, upload and modify designs. First, go up to Designs, from Highlights to Blank Canvas. So now we're in the blank canvas. We want to change the size. So to do that, we go to Resize on the top left, and we want to choose Custom Designs. As we want to make it smaller, we're going to choose 500 by 500. So we select the box and we highlight and type 500. Then apply. Now that it's 500 by 500, we know that by going up here to the top left, 500 by 500. Now what we want to do is create a logo or a graphic. To do that, we go to Add, then Add Graphic. We have a choice to upload our unique designs, so here in Uploads, or we can choose any one of these ones. You can also type a new graphic to put in our document. So in this case, I'm going to say trophy. Fortunately, I don't have to completely type it, so I'm going to click trophy. So I'm going to center this at the center of the page. Next, I'm going to get another graphic. We go to Add Graphic. In this one, I'm going to put a triangle. So we click and type triangle. Triangle. I'm going to choose the solid design. So now we're going to change the color. So to change the color, we go to Edit. We click this box here, this rectangle, and we choose a color. I'm going to choose red. Click away. Now to change the triangle, click the rectangle and choose the color. Click away. As you can see, the triangle is covering the trophy. There's no way to switch it around, so what you're gonna have to do is go to Add and Add Graphic and create a new trophy by typing trophy and clicking trophy. Just click away. Now when we select the trophy and drag it up, it will go over. So the only way for the trophy to be above the triangle is for you to create a new one. Same with the triangle. So now I'm going to go back, and where the red trophy is, I'm going to click these three dots and I'm going to select delete. Now I want to change the trophy to yellow and the triangle to another color. To do that, we click edit for the trophy, then we select this rectangle and we choose yellow. Click away. Next we select the triangle, then the color, and in this case I'm going to make this one red. Now click away. Now we're going to resize it. To resize it, we click and we drag. So in this example, I'm going to drag down. So I want to make sure this triangle is larger. So we click the triangle and we drag. So now we're gonna make the trophy larger. We select the trophy and we drag. Now we select the trophy and we move it. I forgot to mention, to resize, you select this circle here. So click, and then we just move up or down for it to resize, and then we release. So in this case I'm going to center it. Next I want to make the background, change the background. I have two choices. I could select the background from here and choose one of the colors, click away, or we can change the design completely. So we go down to add, then add background image. Here we can select any of the images or create an image. I mean, find a new image. For example, I could say beach, and we have some beach designs. So we can select the beach, and now we have a beach design. But in this, let's click away. In this example, I'm going to delete this or hide it, and I just want to make sure the background is transparent for our design. So we go to color background, and then we select this checkbox color. We select here, then click away. Now that that's done, we want to save this. So to save this, we go to save to, and in this example we're going to create a new folder called graphic. So we select new folder, select, and we now type in graphic. We select create folder, then save. Now we want to download it. To download it, we go to up here to the top right and select download. To make sure that it downloads to our computer, we select it again, click here to download again, and now it will show. Now that our graphic is completed, we want to now create a proper logo for t-shirt or for our website or other social medias. To do that, we want to select a new canvas. So to do that, we go up to designs and then highlight that, then blank canvas. So the first thing we're going to do is put our graphic in the center and the text will be down at the bottom. So we go to add, then add graphic. Since we have already downloaded it and saved it, we can go to downloads. We could also go to uploads. We go to downloads. We then select the graphic. As it's appeared on the screen, we can drag it down and we can resize it. We can click the circle here and resize it to any size. Now we're going to add some text. To do that, we select add text. Now we want to change the text. We can go up to text here and change it. So we highlight the text and we type. Again, I want to create a subtext. To do that, we go to add, then add text. We select the second text and we drag down. Now we want to place a tagline or subtext here. We go up here to where it says change me to, and we highlight and we type our subtext. Now that it's completed, we can resize. So I'm gonna move the header more closer to the graphic, and again the subtext closer. Fortunately, I don't have to resize it, as in PlaceIT it automatically resizes the text for you. But if you wanted to, you can make it bigger or smaller to fit the correct size. So this one is going to be the one for a t-shirt. So we can also change the styling. So we select and we select the style and we go down and we choose any one of these. I'm going to choose Lato or Lato. Next, I'm going to select the sub text and go to the text, select the styling, go to suggested, and then scroll down. I'm going to choose this styling here. Click away. So now we can change the color. To do that, we select the text, select the color black here, and we can change it. I'm going to choose a red. Go for more light on red. I'm going to select the subtext and select this black box here, and I'm going to choose a more darker yellow, almost goldish. Now it's completed, we can change the background. To do that, we can select the background color here and choose this box here. And now we've done. But before we go, we can resize it to make it larger so it can fit on the page. To do that, you can stretch it, or better yet, I want to change the dimensions to make it more for a smaller screen. So I go up to resize, custom sizes, and now I'm going to say 1080 by 1080. Apply, and then I'm gonna stretch it out. Let's first start with the graphic, select the graphic, and then hover over to these small circle and drag. Just move it. So we don't want the text completely covered because we want to be able to select it. So we select the text and we move it down. Scroll, select, move down. Okay, let's select it and enlarge it. Select, resize. Then we resize the subtext. Now it's perfect. Now we can save it. So to save it, we go up to Save To, and in this case I'm going to go to New Folder, select the field here and type in logo. Then save. And that's completed for this one. We can make a copy, go up here to make a copy, and now we're in a copy, and this one could be for the website, so you can select this image and shrink it down. We'll select this text and move to the side, select, shrink it down. So once this is shrunken, we can just move it to the side over here. If you want to, you can make it a little bit more larger so it can look more nicer, more appealing. So now we can, there's two ways to do this. We can go into Pixar and shrink it, or we can go to stay in PlaceIT and resize it. So I'm going to go to PlaceIT and resize it. We come over here to resize, then custom sizes. So we can shrink the height. I'm choosing 420 and apply. We can also, as it's shrunken, we can also resize it. So this is how you create the logo for your website. If you're not happy with the logo still, you can look for a dimension that is suitable for whatever website platform you're using, like WordPress or Squarespace. In this case, I'm just going to leave this for now, and I'm going to save it. So we go to Move To, and we'll select logo, and then move. As this is the main copy, we want to make sure that the one we backed up is actually saved in the folder that we want it to be saved in. To do that, we go to, now to make sure that it's actually saved, we go to My Account and then Folders. As you can see, if we select logo, the folder. Now that this is complete, we can now upload a logo. To do that, we go to Designs, Highlight, Blank Canvas. I'm going to resize this to 500, so click Resize, Custom Sizes, then 500. Apply, and we're going to make the background transparent. Now we're going to upload the logo. We go to Add Graphic, Uploads, or you can just go straight to Upload Image. I'm going to leave the size, and I'm going to select crop. Select and drag down to the center, select the small circles and enlarge. As this is in low resolution, you can see that it's kind of faded, but that's fine. This is just an example. I'm going to now resize the canvas. To do that, we go to resize, and then we want to shrink the height. I'm going to shrink it to 300. Let's go lower. Let's go 250. Perfect. Then apply. Let's resize. Just shrink it a bit more. Let's shrink it a bit more down. So I might have to go to 150. So we go to resize, custom sizes, then 150. Then click apply. Now this is a bit of size, so we select the logo and we drag. Now we fix it in place, and now we could just save it to logos, and now we've completed our design.